Is your Lorex doorbell offline? Let's get it back online. The most common reasons for a Lorex doorbell to go offline are Wi-Fi connectivity issues, problems with the Lorex app, or occasional firmware glitches. First, power cycle your doorbell. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. While that's happening, check your Wi-Fi router. Make sure it's online and that the doorbell is within 30 to 50 feet of the router. Also, ensure your Wi-Fi is using WPA3 encryption for better security. If the problem persists, move on to the app troubleshooting steps. If power cycling didn't work, start with app-related fixes. First, clear the Lorex app's cache to remove temporary data that might be causing issues. Next, try completely reinstalling the app. This can resolve deeper software glitches and ensure you have the latest version. Log out and back in to refresh your authentication. This can fix account-related sync issues. Forget the Wi-Fi network in the app settings and repair the doorbell. Hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes. Ensure your doorbell's firmware is up to date via the app's update section. Updates often fix connectivity bugs. For persistent issues, Lorex's AI-driven chatbots can offer personalized assistance and diagnose problems. As a last resort, try a factory reset via the app. Go to Device Settings Factory Reset. This will erase all settings.